Hey, Grant here. If you do a lot of cleaning, even if you don't do a lot of cleaning, this is ideal. The reason I got this, I was old-fashioned when I began. I just had the mop and wring it out with my hands. Used a mop bucket and whatever. Then of course I got the kind that you push the end down and kind of helps wring it out, but it was still you're wringing it out by your hands. With this one, by O-Cedar, put your water in there as normal. Your mop goes in there, gets it wet. Then you put it down in here, and you got a pedal here. And it spins the wheel inside there. It helps get the excess water off your mop. Extremely handy. And again, this is by O-Cedar. Had it for a while. It's held up really well. Very simple mechanism, so it's not a whole lot to go bad on it. It's like a hard plastic. So my wife and I highly recommend this. Makes mopping a lot easier. And you're still doing it the old-fashioned way. Hope this helps. Hope to see you again.